In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Stripe to Webflow. So start by opening up your project in Webflow Designer. Then next in the left panel, click on the gear icon. Then click on e-commerce. Then click on payment. So here you'll see Stripe as a payment provider option. And all you have to do is press the connect button beside it. A new window will then pop up, prompting you to sign in to your Stripe account. So all you have to do is, of course, log in with your login credentials and follow the setup process, such as adding your business details, bank account, and verifying your identity. And once successfully connected, you're now ready to accept payments with Stripe. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!